What's up everybody, this is Mike, welcome back to another video, and today it will be an interesting one because I have these three cameras right here and we are going to make a stability test, the ultimate stability test between the DJI Osmo Pocket, the Insta360 One X and the DJI Osmo Action. Let's check it out. Before we begin, let me quickly explain a few things about these cameras, and let's start with the Osmo Pocket. It has a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, which is the only camera with a mechanical gimbal from these three. And to make everything fair, I will be using this Insta360 tripod. I will mount the Osmo Pocket on this tripod, and I will do the same with the rest of the cameras, just to keep it fair, and also because I really like this little tripod. It's very compact and it's very comfortable to hold in your hand. So that's what I'm going to do. On the other hand, we have the Insta360 One X, which films in 5.7K and it stitches everything automatically by using the flow state stabilization. It's a really stable camera. The footage is super smooth, and I really love the look of this camera. And finally, we have the electronic stabilization called Rock Steady in the DJI Osmo Action. This camera is also very smooth, very stable, so it will be a very interesting test to see which one is going to be the best out of these three. I'm really interested to see, and let's begin the test. For our final test, I have my chest mount and my Osmo Action, and I also have this road bike. Please take a look at these very skinny tires, because this road bike shows every vibration on the road, and that's why we are going to make the test with this bike, so you can see how the footage looks like from the chest mount when I'm riding that bike. We're starting with the Osmo Action, and then we'll go through the other cameras as well. Let's check it out. So a little bit of change of plans, simply because when I tried shooting with the Osmo Action with the chest mount, it kept falling down a bit, so it's shooting basically just my hands here on the bike and it's not showing the road ahead of me. So what we are going to change now is use the Joby Gorilla Pod and mount it here on the frame of the bike, and then we'll just mount the cameras on top of this mount and we'll shoot from here. So a little bit of change of plans, but nothing will stop us from making this test. So let's continue and see what footage we'll get from this mount on the bike. So I leave up to you to decide which camera has the best stabilization, which one is the best for your own needs. And I had a lot of fun shooting this video, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this video, which camera was the best in your opinion, and what video you want to see me do next. Thank you so much for watching. This is Mike from Drone Supremacy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao!